Libra, my air babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Check out my LinkTree. Link is in the bio. I do have some special treats there for you. Your word of the day is opening up to universe. The universe has a message for you. They want you to tune in. Open yourself up to the blessings. Have a teachable spirit. Be able to be open to not always having your way the way that you want it. Don't worry about the how and the when. Just be prepared to receive. Open up to your prayer, meditation, and going out into the elements. And look into not just asking, but listening and receiving. And then when you see your blessings and the things that are working for you, jump on it, keep on moving and working on that. I'm discovering my worth and my abilities and gifts. I have the confidence in my value and my gifts. I reclaim my inner power and I accept the love for myself completely. Thus, I open myself up to the divine and the light of the universe. You have natural gifts. Do not let that go to waste because of what you want to be working at the moment. Work with what you got. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.